Hi everyone, Gina Madeya, Windermere Yarrow Bay here. And you already know how important it is to have an experienced real estate agent by your side when either buying or selling a home. But there are several other key players involved to help make sure your purchase and sale transaction goes smoothly. So today, I'm really pleased to have Deanna Powell from Fidelity National Title here with me to help you better understand all about what title and escrow does. So most consumers readily understand why insuring their car or their home is important, but they aren't necessarily familiar with title insurance or why it's really important for them to have title insurance. So can you elaborate?
So why do you need title insurance? A lot like the title is to your car and that how it proves you own the car, title insurance proves ownership to your house and the land that it sits on. So title insurance is the assurance that any defect in the title policy to the land you are purchasing, which would be in the public records, has been called to your attention and corrected before your transaction closes. Should there be a claim made against your title as covered by your policy, it is then our obligation to protect you by 1, defending your ownership in court if necessary at our expense, and 2, bearing the cost of settling the claim if it proves to be valid in order to protect your title and keep you in possession of your property. So in short, the policy states that the status of the title insured, either the owner or the lender, suffers a loss as a result of the title defect. We will reimburse the owner or the lender for the loss and any related legal expenses. Title is usually ordered as a preliminary search right when the house is listed for sale. And as the title officer does a search for history of ownership, any tax liens, mechanics liens, or judgments, they'll also make sure that the party selling the property has the right to do so. So for example, if someone went through a divorce and wants to sell their house by himself, let's say, but the wife is still on title, the husband has to make sure that the wife is on as the other seller, and she will need to sign all the paperwork at closing.
Wow, so between who has the right to convey the property or a potential lien or judgment against the property, all those things sound really important to understand and helps explain why title insurance for a buyer is so important and actually required.
Yeah, by the lenders, lenders will require coverage in order to lend on the property for sure.
Makes sense. Deanna, thank you so much for being here today and sharing your expertise and helping my buyers understand all that title and escrow is and does. And buyers out there, this is just one of several segments that we have, so be sure to check out the whole array of videos where Deanna shares her expertise and offers really valuable explanations. Thanks so much for being here, and thank you, Deanna.
Thanks for letting me share.